Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Find the highest common factor of 200 and 420. We can simply write them out here. And in order to find the highest common factor, we have to keep dividing them by factors until we cannot divide them anymore. So we can see here that 200 and 420 is divisible by 2. So I write 2 here. 200 divided by 2 is 100. 420 divided by 2 is 210. Now I can see that 100 and 210 are divisible by 10. So I divide here by 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 210 divided by 10 is 21. But they no longer share a factor here. So we simply look at what we've written on the left. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. And we can actually check this. 200 is divisible by 20 and 420 is divisible by 20. And then, since there are no other factors after this is the highest common factor. Write the lowest common multiple of ABC, giving your answer as a product as the powers of prime numbers. Now, when we're trying to find the LCM, we simply write the smallest number to the highest power. So we can see the smallest number starts at 2. Then we can see that we have 2 to the power of 1 and 2 to the power of 3. Since 3 is greater than 1, we simply write here 3. Then we move on to the next value, which is 3. We have 3 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power of 2. And since 2 is greater than 1, we simply write 2. Then we move on. We have 5. 5 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 2. 2 is greater. Now we have 7. 7 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 2. 2 is greater. And we only have 11 since there's no other value. This is the greatest value, so we write here 11. So our final value is 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 2 times 11. And since it asks to give our answer as a product of powers, that means we do not multiply this, and this is actually our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.